Hey everybody, Scorpion here. So this is one of those old keyboards off of the machines where you would go buy stuff. Should be pretty quick and simple. Just a couple screws on the back side here, and we'll see what's underneath those keys. Y'all stick around. GoPro, stop recording.
Rock bottle on the track, boy.
Alright, I believe I got all the screws out, so let's see what we can find. Oh, look at that. Big piece of plastic. And this is glued straight to the metal board. I do believe. Oh, no. It's not really glued. Just sticks in there good. So this is the same thing that's in regular keyboards for computers, which now the new stuff, they're starting to go away from it. But this is your Mylar. And I don't think it's going to be nice and just open right up for me. No, they got it sealed. But anyway, there's silver in each one of these spots. And the traces most of the time have silver in them too. So that's something you can set aside. It's easy to get the silver off these. It's just not always easy to get them ready. And a big old piece of shred. See y'all next time.